Hey, do you drive a lot? Do you make long commutes? I make long commutes. Don't you want to get paid for what you drive, right? Now, look, there's a great app called Wrapify, which pays you to get your car wrapped in some type of advertising. And then once you drive, they pay you for the mile up to a mile cap. So this is an overview of what I've earned within 2 months of driving with the campaign that they provided. $586, $103 for the current month, and miles driven, etc., all-time miles. Now you're telling me, I don't drive that much. I don't drive 10,000 miles. Well, don't worry, because there's a cap. So all the miles that I drove over the limit, it's just extra miles benefiting Wrapify, benefiting the advertising company, and you get a cap. So there's nobody trying to pay me for driving all those miles, just a portion of it. I'm gonna check campaigns. So in my campaign list, my car was picked for Oscar. Oscar is, I believe, a health insurance company. And for 2 months, I worked with Oscar having my car wrapped. And they have a potential earning from $13 to $31. Now, I've never reached $31. Maybe some people have. But here is what I've reached today. So if you look at my phone, I've reached $11.19 on my phone app. And that's not bad, just for making my commute, which I was going to make already. And if I were to pull out my campaigns, this is the weekly average that they tell me, which is $80.99. And if I drive around California or the LA area, and I drive specific in this region, which is like Santa Monica and West Hollywood, I believe, right? That's going to give me a 1.5 times multiplier up to 10 miles. So that means I have a 35 mile cap, daily cap. So I could be making a lot of money. And this is what the wrap would look like. So they do tell you what it would look like. And this is just Wrapify. This is one of the best ways to do it. Now, there is a problem with rideshare apps like Uber and Lyft kind of discourage it. I'm not sure about Lyft, but I know Uber discourages it. But if you're just driving your car and you don't have anything like that, you just want to get paid for your commute, I highly suggest Wrapify. Now, if you have a better app that does a better service, tell me, recommend it to me below in the comment section, like and subscribe. Now, I do have to warn you that Wrapify support is not that great because probably they're a new company, but they're getting better. And the biggest thing is I get paid, right? I get paid. So why are we having this problem? Maybe the support is not that great, but if the money's coming in and I get paid adequately for what I've understand, then I win and they win and everyone wins, right? So with that, take care and good luck.